we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this region located in southeastern France, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names of famous places in France and in French. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. So how do you say it? In French it is said as, for reference, Provence-Alpes-Côte d'Azur. Provence-Alpes-Côte d'Azur. So in English you can say it as Provence, Provence, Alpes, Alpes. Well, in French the S is silent. In English you would say Alps, but no, in French Alpes. Côte d'Azur, Provence-Alpes-Côte d'Azur. From French, Provence-Alpes-Côte d'Azur. And now, you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, at least like it. It helps me a lot. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names of famous places around France and famous French names that many mispronounce dramatically. You won't anymore after watching those. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.